Hey guys, welcome back to day 4. So today I want to keep it really simple because I am really tired. Like, I literally feel like my body is giving up on me, the amount of pain. So I want to just do something really simple that I love to do any day. I will do I just want to bake. Wait, mama, wait. So I just want to bake, and then yeah, so I'll show you guys. So Zari is insisting she wants to talk to you, so I'll let her talk to you. I'll even interview her and see how that goes. Hi, mama.
Hi, Mama.
No, say hi.
Hi.
Where are you going?
And
What are you doing?
watching
Watching what?
Jimmy John's.
Jimmy Jones.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Who's your best friend?
Kylie.
Kylie.
Yes.
Where's Kylie? Home.
Yes.
Okay. What class are you going to? You don't know? Mama, what class are you going to?
Over there? No. Sing? No. Dada? No.
No, where are you looking? Suangalia hapa. Unaenda class gani?
Pipa papi.
Hmm?
Pipa papi.
Ongea vizuri Zari.
P-I-O-P.
Pipi?
1.
Yay! Okay, then say bye.
Bye.
So, I'm just gonna show you everything that I need for baking. And then I'll put a recipe that I learned from. Now I've just mixed it up and made it into my own. Just because the one that I had was a bit too sugary. So now that I've changed things up a bit and just perfected it to make it good to how I like it and how my family likes it. So first of all, you need your measuring cup, a bowl for your dry ingredients, another bowl for your wet ingredients, and then you need cinnamon. For me, this is Orleans, I think. I don't know what Orleans or I don't know. So this is the cinnamon that I use. For me, carrot cake is not carrot cake without cinnamon. I find like it just tastes plain. You need baking powder, baking soda, salt. I have salt in here. I have sugar, 4 eggs. Everything is falling down. 4 eggs, oil, and of course your carrots, and something that I like to add to just bring in the sweetness is raisins. So I'm just gonna start with, oh yeah, and the most important thing you need is flour. So I use eggs. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start by grating the carrots. This is gonna take some time, so let me just meet you guys once this is done. So I'm gonna start with flour, 2 cups. So guys, I have put in 2 cups of flour. Someone has come to assist me. So for the dry ingredients, 2 cups of flour, cinnamon. So for the cinnamon, I really don't pima. I just pour in as much as I want. I just pour in as much as I can. Baking soda, half a teaspoon. Like, you guys shouldn't do things kienyeji like me. I'll put, like I've said, I'll put the recipe on the description box for a lady who I basically learned baking from, because all her recipes are so simple. On the next one, I am going to put sugar, oil, and eggs. That's for the wet ingredients. So for the sugar, I put in, because I've variated mine to have less sugar, so I put in just 1 cup of sugar, and then 4 eggs and 1 cup of oil. So this is basically what is going on. So Zari is mixing the dry ingredients, and then these are the wet ingredients. So I'm just going to mix the wet ingredients and then pour them into the dry. So for the next step, you're just going to ditch the whisk and use a wooden or silicone or whatever type of thing that you can get that is this flat. So you're just going to pour in the wet ingredients. Ooh. So for carrot cake, don't be surprised and be tempted to add milk. It's supposed to be this kind of texture. It's not supposed to be runny. It's supposed to be this gooey type of texture. So next we're just going to add in the raisins and the carrots.
I want to take a few carrots. Ooh.
So next we're just going to take a sufuria. This very thick sufurias that people save for ugali or stuff like that. And then you're going to take blue band and basically just smear your blue band all around.
And me.
So next, take some flour and then just pour it in. And just make sure it also coats the surface. So this step is just to make sure that your cake doesn't stick to the sufuria.
Ma'am.
Then next, we just pour it in.
Oh no. And the cameraman.
So once 40 minutes is over, you're just gonna pull it out and poke, and if it comes out clean like so, then you know it's ready. So poke different areas and it's clean. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned to bake a cake, and I hope that you guys try it out. If you do, always remember to tag me on one of my social media handles so that I can see how it came out for you guys. That's pretty much for it today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Zari wants to say bye.
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 Bye.